What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Venture Out Vegas. My name is Blair Lee, and I am your tour guide for all your adventure needs while you're out here in Las Vegas. Well, you may be wondering, well, I don't need a tour guide when I come to Vegas, because all you think of is the nightclubs, the hotels, the pool parties, the gambling, the yummy and great smelling cigar and cigarette smoke that we all want to be around. But no, we have so much beauty out here, so much nature. Let's go ahead and discover it together. Let's go. From hiking to kayaking,
Incredible,
right? To zip lining, to ATVing, to rock climbing. We have Red Rock out here. We've got Zion National Park. We've got Lake Mead, Emerald Cave. We have so much beauty out here, and I want to be the one to show you just how awesome it is out here. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Gosh! Oh!